Today we're testing the Newton tiny machine learning model embedded onto the microcontroller that was trained to recognize 7 different events that could happen during the package delivery process. Here I have a Silicon Labs dev board equipped with many different sensors, but all we're going to be using for this particular model is just the accelerometer. But the model I'm going to show you today uses only 4 kilobytes of flash, about 1 kilobyte RAM, and the inference time is under 1 millisecond. The predictions are happening on device and the results are being streamed to my computer via Bluetooth so we can see them in the console. Let's check it out. First class is idle. The package is laying on the table, nobody's touching it, and the model outputs right now idle. Next one is shaking. So same, shaking the package right now, and the output of the model is exactly what's happening. Shaking. Now let's test for impact. Impact, very good. Now there can be different types of impact. I can hit the packet or like this, and right now we have 3 events of impact. Now what about a more serious impact? Free fall. And this test is going to be twofold, and hopefully the model is going to output 2 different events. Free fall for a split second when the package is flying, and impact when it hits the ground. Okay, very good. Free fall, impact, impact. Now what about wrong orientation? Suppose the package has to go this side up, as this sticker here says, and if I flip it over, wrong orientation, and like this, again, wrong orientation. The last 2 classes are connected with active movement, transported by courier and transported by car. Now let's do the courier. I'm gonna pick it up, and here I'm walking with the package and it says transported by courier. Now if I flip it over, it's gonna output 2 different predictions, transported by courier and wrong orientation. Very good. Now for the last event demonstration, I'm going to head over to my car and I'll see you in a minute. As we can see, the model accurately determines that the package is transported by car. Here at Newton, we're developing custom machine learning models that can track dozens of different events and surrounding conditions, including overheating or cooling, humidity fluctuations, and many others. And all of this on device.